This is a look at the Amcor D800 model, and as you can see, it's turned off at the moment. If you turn the dial, it comes on. You get the green. Press this button, you get a fan. Press it again, turn it off. Turned off that way. That's the collector for the water. It just pushes off. When you do that, you get the red light coming on. So, you know, it's aware of this. And the reason why it's aware of it, there's some water in at the moment. There's a float here with a bit at the end. As this is fitted back into the body of the dehumidifier, this presses against a switch at the back, which I think you just see there. And there's a metal bar which connects to it. When you put this back in again, it realises you've got it back again, and the red light goes off again. So it's aware of all of this. But these machines work extremely well. Very good. I recommend them if you can get hold of one of these. This is an older type model. The newer ones are more rectangular with straight edges rather than curved, and really do look the business. But this is the older model. It's on wheels. As you can see, there's a big fan at the back. As I say, this model is the DC800, actually 800 rather than 8000. One of the other things about it, you get this yellowing on it. It's sun effect, but it doesn't really matter. It's just how the plastic has gone. But there you are. That's the dehumidifier.